Today we are here with the 3x3 solve, and I've got currently 4 3x3s. One, which is my fastest cube, which is already scrambled for the solve today. 2, which is the most popular one, which actually has the Rubik sign on. It's the most bought one because it's found in the shops the most. 3, this is also quite found a lot. It's where it allows you to make your own speed cube. So I got this like 2 Christmases ago, and I built it. So and here's the cheap one I got. It's the first cube I ever got. It was only £1. So yeah. Here is the cube we are going to solve though. So 3x3 is probably the longest solving time it takes out of all of the cubes for me, in my opinion. And let's see if I'm correct. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, so nearly solved. I've done the second layer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Actually, I've done it already. So last layer. And then the last 2 pieces, which is actually quite easy to solve. Here we go. There you go. I solved 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Like, subscribe, and smiley face. If you don't know what smiley face means, smiley face anyway. Peace out, guys. Bye.